Okay, this is 1530 Spruce Street. Large apartment building in the Rittenhouse Square neighborhood, bordering Rittenhouse Square Graduate Hospital. Tons of bars and restaurants nearby. It sits on beautiful Spruce Street. This building's called the Newport. Okay, it's really pretty. Well maintained, updated building. Nice land, like flower pots. It's a really pretty building. This is the main entrance. Keypad entry. There's a small gym in the building. It's an elevator building as well. Goes all the way to the end there. And all the way up. There's a second entrance. Or exit. Around the corner. So again, keypad entry. Can be dropped off inside the locked door, which is a huge benefit today. Okay, this is the common area. Really nicely maintained, great security. Okay, that's that other entrance I was showing you before. Here's the elevator, stairwell. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna be waiting a second. Go down to see some of the other common spaces. There's your mail area. Okay. Another one of your exits. The elevator. That's how we get up to the unit. Again, really nicely maintained. Well secured property. If you don't have stackable washer dryer in the unit, which many of them do, these are some common area units if needed. Here's the fitness center. Is everything go on? Nice machines. That's the game. Standard bench. Weights. Lots of cardio equipment. That's the common space. Now, as we head back up, we would then be going to the unit. That's what will connect to this video to show you the main space. Hope you like it. All right, so off the elevator, unit 725. This is the common area for the 7th floor. Okay. Stairway exit if necessary. the elevator. Here's the unit. Really pretty unit. High ceilings. Large common space. Tons of natural light. Facing north and west. Out here on the balcony is a shared little space for you and the tenant across the way. Really pretty views. That's 16th Street, and that's Spruce. Heading back into the apartment. So definitely large enough for a living and dining space. And here is your kitchen. For an additional $50 a month, the landlord can upgrade the appliances to a stainless steel appliance package. Nice amount of cabinet space, fridge and freezer, microwave oven, stackable washer dryer, some more storage space. Under here is the dishwasher. It's a nice kitchen. Could fit a little breakfast nook right there if you like. Again, back into the living space. Here's one additional closet. It's a nice size. Closet. It's a nice size, fairly deep. Here's the first bedroom. Great width, great ceiling height. This overlooks Spruce. Again, we're on the 7th floor. Nice large closet space. Another closet. Very valuable. Here's your bathroom. Tub, shower combo. Really pretty window in the bathroom. Medicine cabinet and vanity. And here is your bedroom. It's your second bedroom. A little bit more special views from here. Looks right down Spruce. It's very pretty. Really nice apartment. There is no closet in this apartment beyond the space that you're seeing. Okay. But what's great is that there is a ton of closet space in the living space, in those hallways that I already showed you. And there is sufficient room for like a bed here, and then cabinets over there, even a desk right there. And we will have floor plans available to show the space. But again, you have closets here that help with that. So one there, one here, and another here. So there's a lot of closet space. It's a great apartment. Let us know if you're interested, and we'll get a lease signed with you ASAP.